got to play instruments and we were playing Five Fat Turkeys.
So that's why we're here, you see.
I learned that you can make music on any instrument. We're playing a xylophone. We use different letters. We play with mallets.
Just having them be able to interact with an instrument creates that enthusiasm, and they're actively engaged. So it's fun to hear the kids making music. We were playing 8-step little bells, and they were tending to fall apart, so they weren't lasting the test of time. I said, okay, we're gonna try these new innovative xylophones, and of course, the foundation said yes, and we got some new ones. They're small, they have great storage, they're acoustically awesome. I'd like to thank the Minnetonka Foundation, along with the Alumni Association that blesses us.
We got to sing and play instruments. It was the best day ever.